Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Installer's Assistant. My name's Marty and today I'm working on a 2016 Holden Colorado. Now I say it's 16 but it's an MY17 model. So here's something to watch out for. The VIN there says 0916, so pretty much July 16, but because it's after the financial year it becomes an MY17 model. So when you're ordering parts, make sure that you are familiar with what's in the car, because they do change between the MY16 model and the MY17 model, even though it is the 2016. So this car, we are pulling the radio out, and all I'm going to need is my trusty 4140 Pry Tool. There's a link for that in the description if you want to get one of those yourself, and a 7mm, in my case I'm using a cordless drill. Right. We have to remove these silver trim pieces, so I'm going to pop those off. Looks like someone's been in here before, because that would normally be significantly harder to do. Okay, clip, 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 boom, 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 boom. On the top, the other side, much the same. It's so nice when cars come apart easily. Okay, and then behind here we have 4 7mm nuts. Oh, not nuts, bolts. Like screw bolts, really. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's basically the crutch of it. We're now going to pull this whole piece off in one go, but we can't get that out because it tucks under the dash. So we'll always start at the bottom. There we go. And that all comes off in one hit. So now, as you can see, 2 clips down the very bottom, 2 clips on the sides, and 2 right at the very top. The screen just really unplugs. And the rest of it is that. That's the physical radio. That and that combined make everything work. But that's the hardest part. Alright guys, hope you like it. Please do me a favour, subscribe, like it, get notifications, whatever you need. There's plenty of other videos of different cars on board. Hope you like.